Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we got a good one for you. I'm going to unbox some earbuds. And y'all know I'm a fan of the grab here, the Apple AirPods. You know, I'm an Apple fanboy, I guess you could say, even though I run Windows. But I like these. But they're a little on the expensive side, and the battery life is not all that great on them. And if you want to listen to music all day or videos, podcasts, whatever, I've been looking around and I've been seeing these advertised. These are RayCon Global Everyday Earbuds. And I see a lot of people on YouTube advertise for them. I've seen a lot of good reviews, seen some bad reviews, but I try to take those with a grain of salt. And I thought I'd purchase a set of them, and my wife's been wanting some. She uses wired earbuds all the time, and she was wanting some wireless ones, so we'll try them, see if they fit the bill, and let her have them. And so I'm going to unbox them, test them out for you, and hopefully they're good, and we'll have a good review. If not, they will be on the first boat back. But anyway, let's pull the camera down here on the table and I'll show you what's in the box. Alright, in the box comes in pretty nice wrapping. It's got a little bit of instructions and the size here. A little magnetic box. See if we can open this up. Aha! See the case for the old pocket knife. Thank you, Ryan Burnette. There we go. I didn't see the tape. Alright. Alright, comes right out. What about that? Isn't that amazing? Alright, so first thing is a little box. It says your sound, your way. Let me pull it up there. Like that. Let's see what it's got in the little box. So it's got a thing of all the little different rubber tips that go in your ear. There we go. Got that. Got a little lanyard with a case to go on it. Has a USB-C charging cable. That's cool. Everything's going USB-C. I've been buying a lot of stuff. Okay, here's the little case for them. Magnetic. It's got a little charge indicator, looks like. Here's where the lanyard goes, and here's the USB-C charging cable. Let's open it up. And they already come with a set of tips on them. And that's all there is to it. They're really small. You know, I'll compare them with a second gen AirPod. All right, my video cut off there. So here they are. They're rather small, but they have a left and a right. And here's an AirPod so you can compare them. Got magnets in them. These are a little bit bigger, but from everything I've seen online, these hide in your ears pretty good. These hang out, and they really don't fit in there real good. They'll come out if you run or something. But alright, let me charge them up, and we'll do some tests on it and see what we can figure out. Y'all stay with me. Alright, so I've been letting them charge up for a little while, and luckily enough, got several USB-C cables laying around so I can charge them up. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to get them up. I need to get one thing I will need to do if your hands are dry, it's hard to open the little lid. We need to go ahead and try to pair them with my phone. So I'm going to go to settings. I can get over here. We'll go Bluetooth. And just for the heck of it, we're going to see if it'll find them. What I do now, I may have to take them out. Oh, here they are, the everyday earbuds. I didn't even see that. Connected just that fast. So that was a whole lot faster than anything else. So we're going to take it and we'll see if the little rubber tip fits. So yeah, it fits well. Let me see how it does here. Heck, we'll put both of them in. Now I can't see myself, but I don't think they protrude real bad. Nothing hanging down. They sound good. There's a Ryan Reynolds Mint commercial. That's pretty good. So they sound good. There was some music playing on that video and everything. I wish I could let you listen to it. I don't know how I'm going to do that. But they sound really good. You also have to take my word for it. They weren't booming in my ears. I heard one guy that was doing a review on them say they sounded muddy. Now, I'm not an audiophile. I'm 54 years old, and I have 54-year-old ears that have been around machinery and stuff. I'm not deaf by any means, unless you ask my wife. But they didn't sound muddy. They sound clear. The next thing I want to do is test the microphone. Let me see how I can record that, and we'll come right back. Okay, so we're doing a recording with the microphones, and they have a pass-through with Bluetooth, and it's hard to really talk like that. So let's see what it sounds like. So there's about a half-second delay. That will screw you up. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. So I'm on the website for RayCon Global, and I've got the everyday earbuds pulled up, and there'll be a link in the description to these. And hopefully, I had a little voice memo I did with the microphones, and sounded pretty good. I mean, these are not going to be Bose or Shure or any of those because of the cost, but sound good. So these have an awareness mode, so you can hear around you. They're not noise canceling. They have 3 sound profiles, probably high, medium, and low. They're IP6X water and splash resistant. You can use them for all your voice calls. The wireless charging case. They have 32 hours of standby battery and 8 hours of continuous use. And I will test that. We will see if they'll do it. They come in 5 colors. They have black, blue, red, rose gold, and white. They're sponsored by a whole bunch of different celebrities. The reviews on are really good. They got 49,000 reviews. Have a 4.4 out of 49,000. That's not bad. The cost there again, $64 for these. They're regularly $79, but they're always running specials on them. And they were here in 2 days. This company does have all kind of over-the-ear headphones. They have 4 or 5 different styles of these, or different models of these. I mean, they go on up to $200, you know, but they have Bluetooth speakers and the whole bit. And I was going to try to find the range on them. I don't know where the specs are. I'll have to look that up. But there'll be a link to everything in the description. They have a 1-year warranty. 45 days for a full refund or return. Thank you. That's about it. I mean, they don't tell a whole lot on there about it, but I'm sure the range is just about like any other Bluetooth device. So y'all be looking for a review on these. We'll give you a long-term review, probably a week, 2 weeks, and tell you how they're doing. So far, just listening to them here in the office sound good. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. The subscriptions are going up, but y'all run me on up a little higher and might be able to get some better content. I've been trying to get some better content for you guys. But, and I have an update for this studio here. I got a new camera. It's going to be an unboxing on it next. So hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching. I'm going to jam out a little bit. Or let Tanya jam out. I think I will.